holding it upside down. You could hold it like this too. A lot of ways. Hey guys, welcome to another Red Yeti First Look. I'm Matt. This week we're going to be checking out the Mission Mercantile Campaign Waxed Canvas Large Duffel Bag and Campaign Waxed Canvas Shave Kit. Clearly both of these products are made for the traveler in mind. These are the perfect weekend getaway combo to have. But more importantly, they are made from a manufacturer, Mission Mercantile, who is largely responsible for manufacturing a lot of the other leather goods and carry goods brands that you may know and love. Both of these Campaign Waxed Canvas products are made from true waxed canvas cotton. The process being that the cotton canvas is dipped and soaked in paraffin wax, then rolled very paper thin so that they remove any of the excess wax. There's full brass hardware on it, from the zippers to the buckles, and full grain leather integrated in the handles on both products and some of the trim. The inside of the bag is lined with a military grade nylon, and actually it looks so fantastic that even if you turn this bag inside out, it'll still look like it's actually meant to be this way. It is not specifically reversible, and it's not meant to function as a reversible product, but it is so well made that it actually looks just as good inside out as it does regularly. On top of that, the military grade nylon on the inside is fully water resistant, so if you do need to, you can turn it inside out, wash it down, spray it with water, and it'll still be fine. All the leather and the trim for both of these bags is made from full grained vegetable tanned leather that's treated for over 40 days. A lot of work actually does go into the actual process of the leather itself, and that's largely what Mission Mercantile is actually known for. Unlike a lot of other leather products, when you actually get the feel of it, this does feel like it's already broken in, it's smooth, it's extremely comfortable to handle, and it doesn't feel like you're holding something that you need to take outside and beat just to loosen up. The removable shoulder pad on the duffel bag is foam padded, so it has extra comfort, and it is removable in case you just don't want it in the equation at all. On top of that, there's a suede pad on the bottom, which adds extra comfort. In terms of storage, the shave kit has one large main chamber for odds and ends, as well as a smaller front zipper for smaller items. The duffel has multiple carrying options, making it extremely easy to carry, as well as one large main chamber, so you can store the majority of your goods, a couple open pockets for keeping things separate within the main chamber, and another pocket that is completely separate from the main chamber, perfect for any dirty items, laundry, or things you just want to keep separate from the actual duffel itself. The side pocket keeps everything separate from the main chamber, and when you open up the actual main chamber itself, you can see there is a little area where you actually can roll up that side pocket to make it bigger, smaller, or just have more room if you need it. This side pocket expands through the length of the actual duffel bag. All of Mission Mercantile's products are mission built for life. Now, what that means is that they build their products to last a lifetime. They even have tons of articles on their website that explain how you can treat and care for your items so that you get the most out of them. Each of their items that they produce, they say, the day you get it is the worst it's ever going to look. It gets better over time. And if you do have any scratches, piercings on your wax canvas, anything like that, they do provide the tools so that you can care for your products and get the most out of it. In fact, with each of their products that they build, they specifically design it so that it can be handed down and passed on. People buy Mission Mercantile products because their products are going to last longer than you do. That's it for our first look of Mission Mercantile's Campaign Wax Canvas Large Duffel and Campaign Wax Canvas Shave Kit. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of these two products, and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with the newest first looks coming out every week. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Red Yeti First Look coming at you next week.